हो जो पळय हीट वेव येता तो क्लायमेट चेंजाचो संबंध आसा ताका हें आतां क्लियर कट आतां कळून आयलां न्ही.
Yeah, this is a clear-cut signal.
Yes.
In fact, 1951 or maybe let us say not 1950, 1981 till maybe 2000, almost all the places our Indian subcontinent is showing an increasing trend of heat waves.
Oh.
That is a dangerous thing. And as you correctly said, CSC, Dr. Sunitha Narayan, she is a good friend and this one.
Yes.
She has been monitoring on the various things. I have gone there a couple of times.
I have also.
I have given talks also. So she monitors.
Yes.
And the main important thing is actually the greenhouse gases which are in the atmosphere.
Yes.
That keeps on increasing. And one of the most important thing is actually two things. One is the land use, land change pattern. Or each of the places our Indian subcontinent change.
Yes.
And the population of wildlife.
Yes.
If you look at 1947, the amount of agriculture or the need was not that much. But if you look at now, we are in 2022.
Yes.
Each person needs a house. Each person needs a transport, whether it's a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler.
Yes.
These emit lots of gases. Whether
तुम्ही आता म्हणलेच म्हणून आता गोंयांत नवो एअरपोर्ट येता. ताजे खातीर 57,000 झाडां मारल्यात. ओल्ड गोवा नवो रस्तो केलो ताजे खातीर थावजंड्स ऑफ झाडां मारल्यात. ती खंय रोयतली? जेन्ना झाडां रोवपाचो प्रश्न आयलो तेन्ना तांकां सांगलें की गोंयांत झाडां रोवपाक खंय जागो ना.
But forest department still claims they have 33% of forest cover. So that
I know.
other they had actually got.
So you